Assalamu alaikum, my name is Inshal and I hope that you all are doing very well. Today I am going to talk about my ideal personality, but first of all let me explain that what is an ideal personality for me. For me, an ideal personality is the one who you relate to and share similar goals with. They inspire you because their journey aligns with your inspirations. So why Irfan Malik inspires me? First of all, hometown connection. He is also from South Punjab, also I am. Secondly, he is an expert in ML and we all wanted to be expert in ML as well. Thirdly, he is a businessman, he is running a software house as well. So I also wanted to run a software house and many of us want to run a software house. Thirdly, knowledge sharing. He shares what he learns, so that's why he is my inspiration. Now I'm going to talk about Irfan Malik, a Pakistani tech icon. I'm going to start with his humble beginnings, a story of resilience. Because when a person is successful, everyone talks about his success. No one talks about his hard work, which he put into get that success. Poverty and challenges. He was raised in a poor family, and also his father was retired as a gardener. So for completing his college, he preserved through college, balancing tuition and his students. Now I'm going to talk about his path, finding his path, embracing IT and AI. Because when he came to Lahore after his college, he started doing odd jobs like car washing and something like that. Then he learned a skill which was named as typing. Then he got a job of typing as well, and there his interaction began with computers, and he thought that he can make a future in computer science. Then he faced disrespect everywhere. In Lahore, he faced disrespect everywhere doing odd jobs. And then he had two options. He thought that if he has to work for 18 or 20 hours a day to achieve success, or he should be facing disrespect for his whole life. And definitely he chose the second option, and that was the result of his success. The AI revolution, building a multi-billion-dollar empire. In 2020, his AI company was generating a revenue of $3 million. Secondly, on Upwork, he was generating $1.8 million as well. And right now in 2024, there is a company named AIBM. So $2.5 million they invested in his company as well, in healthcare and AI. Now the main thing, he has given many free courses for the students of Pakistan. He has given from Python to web development to many fields. And again, he launched a platform named Afera. So on Afera, he is providing many programs in free like Python programming, data science, NLP, deep learning sessions, which are very important for us to learn because we all are AI students. Now I'm going to talk about the Irfan Malik's takeaways mindset, something like that. So first of all, he says his students to value your teachers. Then secondly, stop making excuses, and third one, focus, consistency and hard work, which I will be talking later on as well. So you can see the third picture on the slide. This picture is of Mr. Durrani, and he taught him at that time when he had no money to pay him for the tuition fees or something like. So what's his legacy? His legacy is inspiring our nation. First of all, technological advancement. Secondly, the businessman spirit, and third is social impact. These are the three things due to which he is a tech icon in Pakistan. Now, I'm going to end up my conversation with these 4 rules which he tells each and every student of him. First of all, focus. Second, consistency. Third one, attention to detail. And fourth one is hard work. So these are the things that he tells every student to follow to achieve success in his life. And I will end up my conversation with this thing, that if we follow these 4 steps, we can achieve anything in our life. Thank you so much.